Hey there, if you're looking for a strong mesh laundry hamper, this one in particular is the one you want to go for. It is super strong. I've had it for a very long time. It definitely withstood the test of time. Let me tell you, I've ordered ones that look similar to this and they are completely different. The netting is definitely not as strong. I had this laundry hamper filled up to the brim with laundry and laundry detergent. It was very heavy to carry, and to my surprise, it did not create any rips. I love how flexible and light this is, and when you fold it, it is so compact. It can fit anywhere. Whoever created this did a very good job. It's like they were creating it for themselves, because every single edge and how it was sewed and the durable steel construction, it's all very strong yet somehow lightweight. And yes, I loved them so much that I ordered 2 of them. I literally use them every single day. These are the ones you want to go for, so make sure to not lose the link, because there are other ones that are very similar, but this one stands out in particular because of its durability. These are actually really good. I highly recommend them. They're super durable, and I haven't had any rips, and I've been using them for more than a year. And I love that it's simple yet super practical.